Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I made an STL of a star, and I saved a picture of it, and I've also saved that as a GIF. Okay, and then what I did is I took that picture and I have copied it into the gem library under, and that's in the HTML folder, by the way, under program files. Okay, and you go to the gem shapes and you'll see that down here I've added the GIF of a star. And then what I did is I went over and opened up one of these, right-clicking editing, and changed this to star, and then saved as star. And of course this is what I got right here. I'll go ahead and delete that and I'll show you that exactly what I did. Come on over here, it doesn't matter one of those. Let's just save this as star, S-T-A-R, and then we'll go save as S-T-A-R. Bam. When you close it, there it is, right there. Okay. And the other thing we did is we went over to gems and we put in our star STL. There it is right there. We just drug it in and dropped it right there. Okay, now you can go in and give yourself a color for star, make a star, but I don't need to. I usually pick a custom color when I want one. And the gem weights you also can do, but it's really not necessary. So those two aren't necessary, but definitely you've got to have gems and you've got to have the gem shapes in there. And now comes a little bit of the trickier part. And what you do is you go over here to the shared scripts. So open this up, and then you go to the Jewelsmith folder. You open this up. Then what I've already done, this gem object script, I've made a copy of it over here. My original one is sitting right here. This is my unedited one. This is now the one I've edited. So go make a copy of it and save yourself a copy in case you screw up or something goes wrong. Because we're going to right click and we're going to edit the gem object script. And what you're going to get, Notepad's going to open up and you're going to get all this info. Now in here 4 times we're going to have to add, right here is where we're at. So we kind of come over here, go like this, drag, copy, come right here, hit the enter button, right click and paste. I want to come on over, just hit the space bar till I get it there. I'm going to change that name now to star, S-T-A-R. Okay, now we're going to come all the way down. That's one. We're going to come right down here. Here's another one. So I'm going to go all of this right there, right click, copy, come back over here, go like this, and then paste. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is put that right there. I see this one can come back a little bit. Let's go like that. Let's make it all lined up. Okay, now we're going to come over here, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to call that star, S-T-A-R, and then we're going to come over here to this STL, and we're going to name it star, S-T-A-R. Okay, so that's 2 of them done. I'm going to come on down, and here's this one, number 3, all the way to there, copy, come over here, hit enter, right click, paste, come on over here and go like that. I'm going to change this one to star, S-T-A-R. Okay, and let's just go ahead and line that up. And I'm going to come over here and go star, S-T-A-R. Okay, that's 3. Now way down here, you're going to keep right on coming. There's one more place. Okay, and We're getting close. Here it is. So again, I copy all of this because it's just easier. Copy and hit the return button. Paste. Come on over here like this. And we're going to call this STAR. And I want to, of course, change that to star. STAR. Okay, now everything looks correct. All right, so then that's the 4. Come back up here, and what we do is we save that file. Now it's closed, and guess what? That is now an active icon in the program. So I'm going to stop right now, and I'm going to open up ArtCam to save memory on my computer, and we're going to show you that that worked.